ప్రస్తుతం మనం గురునానక్ యూనివర్సిటీ స్టాల్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. వాళ్ళు ఇప్పటికి ఒక 4-5 టైమ్స్ ఇక్కడ అపెక్స్లో స్టాల్ పెట్టారంట. ఒకసారి మనం మాట్లాడదాము. సో గురునానక్ యూనివర్సిటీ మీరు 5th టైం ఇక్కడ పెట్టడం అని చెప్తున్నారు కదా, ఏంటి గురునానక్ యూనివర్సిటీ స్పెషాలిటీ అంటే? అండ్ ఇవాళ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఫెయిర్లో ఎలా ఉంది క్రౌడ్ మీకు?
See, first of all, thank you very much. Okay. Now, as far as the crowd is concerned, we are happy with the footfall, and since morning we have got somewhere around 100 plus footfall. Yeah, 100 plus inquiries. And as far as Guru Nanak University is concerned, this is going to be the third year for us. And as far as this exhibition is concerned, we are participating since 5 to 6 years under the banner of Guru Nanak Institutions. And I am here with my colleagues, Mr. Rameshwar, Mr. Dr. Suresh, and Mr. Srinath. And we have range of programs with under Guru Nanak University, starting with engineering, pharmacy, management, and even PhD as well. Yes.
So today how is this Apex Education Fair 2026?
See, I have participating these exhibitions since many years, not only with Apex, with other organizers as well. Now, as far as these type of exhibitions are concerned, these are a good forum for the students to come interact with the university officials, check the facilities, okay, and all those things. And it's a good forum for the students and as well as the parents also. And if we talk in terms of Telangana particularly, now here in students, if we talk about engineering, now in engineering, some students go with the AMSET, some students wants to go with the private university. So we have both the options. Under Guru Nanak institution, they can come under AMSET, and in Guru Nanak University, they can come and join directly also.
So you told now 100 inquiries came. So parents and students, which doubts created and asked you?
See, basically the first doubt or the concern the parents are having is always the quality of education, what type of fee structure we have to pay, distance from the university, and what type of courses. Generally, parents and students are coming for CSC only, but there are certain students who have opted, who wants to opt for mother engineering also, like civil, mechanical, and triple E. So it's a mixed response, but basically finance plays an important role when it comes to the choice of the college or a particular program as well, because budget matters, ma'am. Yes.
How is the budget in Guru Nanak University?
See, as far as CSC is concerned, we have some scholarship options also. Okay, and I will give you a vague idea. Like the fee will be somewhere around, after scholarship will be 1,80,000 to 2 lakhs per year, and this is after scholarships based on the intermediate exams. And other
CSC is more demand, and parents, children are asking about only CSC. What is the CSC specialty?
See, the thing is, at times there is a demand, and at times the demand is created, and at times there is no demand because of the market news. People come for CSC. But having said that, there is a demand of the CSC course in the international level also, because the people markets are moving towards AI, ML, data science, and cyber security. But there is a scope for mother branches as well, civil, mechanical, and triple E, because if we talk in terms of Indian segment, Indian market, wherein lot of infrastructure needs to be developed. So we need civil engineers, we need mechanical engineers, we need electrical engineers, with due respect to CSC and other branches. Yes.
Right, thank you. Wish you all the best.